Yo, YouTube, what's good? I'm back. Today we're going to be doing a Photoshop tutorial. I'm going to show you exactly how I made a poster like this. It's basically just a two-tone, two-color gradient effect that you can basically put on any image you desire. It's super easy and super simple, and it looks really cool, and you can use this whether you're making posters, whether you're making an album cover, whether you can use this for whatever you want to do. Let's get right into it. Let's go. We're in Photoshop right now, and here's an example of one that I already did, but for the video, we're going to do another one from scratch. So this is an example of one I did, and I'm going to show you how to recreate it with another photo because it's hella easy. So first things first, let's get into Photoshop. Let's go poster, 1824 inches, 300 ppi, which is 300 resolution, high res. We want high res. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get a photo. You can use this exact photo if you want, or something similar. Up to you, you know what I mean? Really up to you. So just get your photo in Photoshop and just fill the screen with the photo. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to brightness and contrast. So typically you're going to want a photo with lots of contrast. There's no like exact setting in this situation. You kind of just have to see with your eye and see what looks good. So yeah, I think that looks good, like right about there. So that's good. And then from here I'm going to go, wait. Yeah, okay. And then yeah, that's step one. Just contrast to that 100, and then my brightness is at 68. You don't want it to be too bright, and you definitely don't want it to be too dark, but you definitely want it to be more on the brighter side, I would say. That's my advice to you. Yeah, more on the brighter side. So I'm going to put my brightness at like 100. Step 2 is go to filter gallery, and then we're just going to put some grain on this thing. So I'm going to, yo, that's crazy. I'm going to want something like, I think I do, let's see, I want it to be, let's see, how grainy do you want this thing? Something like this. No, you kind of have to mess around with it a little bit until you figure out like what looks best. But if I could give you any advice, I would say make sure it looks like it's like stippled, kind of dotty sort of thing. So see here, that's good. I might want it to be you gotta mess around with it. You know what I mean? But you don't want it to be too dark as well. That's also okay. I think this looks about good. So see that? Boom. I mean, I can always redo, but yeah, okay, that looks good to me. That looks pretty good. So step 3, so just to reiterate, we have the brightness and contrast up, and we have some grain on there. We threw some grain on there. Now step 3 is we're just going to put a threshold on that shit. Threshold it, see, boom. Check that out, okay? Okay, it's a little bit difficult in the face. We're losing a little bit in the face, so you might want to lower the brightness a little bit, just because, or actually, excuse me, turn the brightness up a little bit, just because you're losing some in the face, so just make sure it's legible. That's the only thing. Make sure it's legible. You gotta find the sweet spot, so there we go. Alright, next step. Oh yeah, also this is an optional step. From here you can also invert it if you prefer it like this, but it's a bit redundant to invert it right now, so just wait. But if you want it to be white on black instead of black on white, just invert it right here, but don't merge it down in case you want to turn it off. So yeah, next step you got to do, next step is gradient map. So if you don't know gradient map, it just makes it 2 colors. So see this here? Basically, we're gonna pick a color. That's black and white, but that's boring. Let's get some color in this. But I low-key want black, but I might do red and see how it looks. Kind of F with that. What do you say? And then you can reverse it. Ooh, that's clean. That's super clean. I like that. That goes hard. Both of them go hard, for sure. Both go hard. But yeah, I mean, shit goes hard. You can, like, you know, make as many colors as you want. So, like, I don't know, I think I like, okay, so in this situation, another thing is you want the darker color to be the foreground and the lighter color to be the background. So see if it's like this. If it's like this with the lighter colors in the foreground, that is a situation where you would have to invert it, just due to the fact that it's hard to read and it's kind of inverted. So that's why you always have to have the lighter color in the background. But let's see, it's just some other options because like that's cool, but I might want to do something else. So I'm gonna check it out and see what we got. Oh, that's cool. Let's see, I don't know. I think black and red, so it might be tough. Ooh, black and purple. I mean, purple and red. Shit. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's pretty tough. That's looking pretty sweet. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. It's super easy. You can do this literally to any photo. Like, literally. I'll do it again. I'll do it again in like 5 seconds. It's so easy. Let's pick another photo. I'll do it again, just for the memes. Do it again in speedrun this time. Speedrun it. Bam. Alright, remember the steps? You could, like I said, you can literally do this with any photo, bro. Any photo. It's so easy. Just do it with any photo. And yeah, just have fun with it. Like, there's no right answer to graphic design. You gotta figure out what you like, what works, what you think looks good. Like, I've said this in past videos. There's no right answer, bro. Like, literally, it's just what you want. Just do what you want. Do what you think looks good. Do what you think is cool. Do what makes you happy. It's literally it. It's like the secret to design is just do what you want, bro. Bro, it's so easy. It's so easy. Okay. Bam. Did it twice. Okay. Second step. We threshold. Yikes. Okay, so now that I'm looking at this again, this photo might be difficult. This might not be a great photo, but we're still going to do it anyways because this photo is actually, like, shouldn't be two-tone, like two colors. So, yeah, that's a bit annoying, but it's cool because it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine, but it would be better if this was three-tone, but we're in too deep. So we're going to have to do it anyway. So yeah, check this out. Bam. And we can invert it, but we're not going to do that. So remember the steps. Gradient map. Boom. Here we are. And then let's just pick a color. Let's get some blue. It was blue already, so I mean, bro, just literally just check it out. Like it's that easy, bro. It's that easy. Find a good colorway that looks chill. For some reason, it's not looking good with color, but I don't know. I mean, that was just a quick like speedrun demo. That looks cool. Let's see. Do some green action in here. I kind of just like green with like. Just get some green on white going. Boom. That's cool. There you go. And yeah, it's that easy. It's that easy. Just did it twice. There's this one. There's this one. There's this one. And like obviously this is just one step. You can obviously like do way more with this. You can add text. You can add other images. You can add vector art. You can add literally whatever. And this is just a tool to give you for when you're making a poster. You can make this cool two-tone gradient effect on anything, on any photo. Here's the proof. It's so easy. Like, just, it's that simple. And yeah, ooh. It's that simple, guys. It's literally that simple. And yeah, I hope you learned something. That's all I got today. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you try this out. And if you do, send it to me. My Instagram's etapsosa. And yeah, let me know if you found this very helpful. Peace.